You turn it on every day. You wash your hands with it. You fill your pots. You rinse your dishes. But have you ever stopped to ask, what is really happening inside your faucet? What secret components control that smooth flow of water? Why does it sometimes drip endlessly? And what surprising thing about engineering keeps it from flooding your kitchen? Today we're performing a complete faucet teardown to uncover the hidden system inside one of the most underrated tools in your home. And trust me, what we find may just change the way you look at your sink forever. This is not just a teardown, it's a deep dive tutorial into the inner mechanics, materials, and design logic behind modern faucets. If you've ever dealt with leaks, low water pressure, or noisy handles, this is a must-watch breakdown. Why should you care about what's inside a faucet? Because understanding its structure helps you fix leaks without calling a plumber, avoid expensive replacements, choose better quality faucets, extend the lifespan of your sink system. And here's the fascinating part. Most faucets look simple on the outside, but inside they're a carefully engineered system of valves, seals, cartridges, aerators, and pressure regulators, all working together in perfect balance. So, let's begin. The first surprise? The handle isn't just a lever, it's a precision control mechanism. Once removed, we reveal a hidden screw or cap, the valve stem or cartridge interface, mineral buildup patterns that tell the story of usage over time. This tiny component controls hot and cold water ratios, pressure levels, and flow strength. And depending on your faucet type, we'll either see a compression valve, a ball valve, a ceramic disc cartridge, or a modern single-handle mixer system. Each one tells a different engineering story. And here's a key question. Did you know your faucet's handle design directly affects water efficiency? Yes, small internal differences can change your water consumption by gallons per month. Now we reach the core, the cartridge. This is where the magic happens. Inside this compact piece, water temperature is balanced, pressure is regulated, flow is precisely controlled. Ceramic disc cartridges, for example, use ultra-smooth plates that glide past each other to stop or release water. This reduces friction, limits leakage, and increases durability. But here's the shocker. When even a tiny particle of sand enters this system, it can destroy the entire smooth glide function. Ever heard a squeaking or grinding noise when turning your faucet? This is where it starts. Now let's move to the end of the spout, the aerator. This tiny mesh component mixes air with water to reduce splashing, control flow rate, increase perceived pressure, save water. Without the aerator, water pours aggressively and inefficiently. With it, flow becomes smooth, controlled, and eco-friendly. Here's a shocking fact. A clogged aerator can reduce water flow by up to 50%. And what clogs it? Limescale, rust, sediment, mineral buildup. This simple component might be the most overlooked fix for low-pressure problems. Now comes the unsung heroes, rubber O-rings and seals. These tiny rings prevent drips, leaks, pressure loss, internal corrosion. When they dry out or crack, even a premium faucet becomes a leaking disaster. Here's the question. Is your mysterious kitchen drip caused by pipes or a 10-cent rubber seal? Most of the time, it's the seal. And replacing it takes less than 10 minutes if you know what to look for. During this teardown, several unexpected elements stand out. Hidden flow restrictors that limit water usage, internal pressure balancing springs, evidence of mineral corrosion patterns, modular parts designed for tool-free replacement, precision threading preventing vibration leaks. These components reveal how modern faucets balance water efficiency, safety, and performance, all inside a compact housing you rarely think twice about. Understanding your faucet's inner structure helps you diagnose issues faster, save money on plumbing calls, maintain healthy water flow, extend appliance life, choose smarter replacements. Instead of guessing, you now know what every turn, drip, or vibration truly means. And that knowledge, that's power. So next time you turn on your tap, ask yourself, is it really just water flowing, or a perfectly synchronized mechanical system performing its silent duty? This teardown reveals that even the most ordinary object holds extraordinary engineering beneath the surface. And sometimes the most surprising discoveries live behind the simplest designs. If this breakdown helped you understand your home better, imagine what else we can uncover together. Like this video, subscribe for more smart teardowns, share this with someone who loves DIY fixes, and comment below, what should we tear down next?